Assalamu alaikum. How are you, dear students? Hope that you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah and you are performing your homework properly. Dear students, now we are passing a very crucial time. I hope you are staying home and keeping yourself well. Look at the screen and we are going to start our class. Here I have shared a picture. I hope you are discussing with each other. Dear students, there are some social problems in Bangladesh. There are population problem, unemployment problem, early marriage, etc. Can you tell me one prime social problem in Bangladesh? Look at the picture, then you try to see. Okay, you have guessed about it. This is early marriage. Early marriage is one of the most serious problem in Bangladesh. Okay, now I am going to ask you another question. What are the two consequences of early marriage? You know, there are a lot of early marriages are happening in Bangladesh every day, but there are some consequences because of happening early marriage. Now, can you tell me what are the only two consequences of early marriage? Now, look at the picture and try to tell it. Okay, I hope you have already guessed about it. If any girl is married in early age, she will be mother in early age, and another is she may die in untimely death. Okay. Now, can you tell me what I am going to teach with you? Yes, today I am going to discuss with you or taking a class with you about the story of Lipi, Unit 4, Lesson 4, English for today for class 9 and 10. Lipi. After the end of the lesson, you will be able to ask and answer about problems. This is your speaking test. She can give suggestions, listen English from the video and answer the question. This is your listening test. Narrate something in writing. This is your writing test. Write letter to friend about the problem of early marriage if one falls. This is your writing test. Okay. Dear students, you have already guessed. I am going to narrate with you about a girl who is a student. Her name is Lipi. Now, we are enjoying the story of Lipi. She is Lipi, a student of class 9 of Rangpur High School. Like you, she is a meritorious student. She has a good dream. She will stand with her own leg one day, and she will do something for the country, for her family. But what happened? I am introducing with you about her family. She is Lipi. She has another two brothers and another two sisters. That means total number of brothers and sisters of her family are 5, including her. Okay. Now I am discussing with you about her parents. Her father is a day laborer who works in others' lands, and his earning is very small. And her mother is a domestic worker. That means she works in others' house in exchange of money. It is a very needy family. Okay. Total family member of Lippy's family. Here at a glance, we look total family members of her family: Lippy's father, Lippy's mother, and her another 2 sisters, 2 brothers, and Lippy. Total number of her family are 7. Okay, total number of her family is 7. That is burden for her parents. So they saw it is very difficult to lead their family by them. Then, what is going to take a plan by her parents? For this reason, her father wanted to marry her off with Taramia, who is illiterate widower but has vast properties. Lippy had no wish to take marriage, but her father thought that if Lippy was married, the number of one member will be deducted from the family and it will be better. But her dream will not be fulfilled. What will not be fulfilled? So, now we know about Taramia. Taramia is a son of rich man. He has well decorated house in the village and pond in front of his village. He had cattle and cultivable lands. That means in a village, Lippy is a daughter of a poor day laborer, but Taramia is a son of a rich man in the village. For this reason, Lippy's father thought if Lippy is married, she will be happy. What he did to relieve from it, that means to get relief from the marriage, what did Lippy do? At first, Lippy discussed about the problem with her classmates, and they advised her to discuss about it with the head teacher of the school. Lippy thought it will be better, so she went to the headmistress room. She discussed with the head teacher about her problem, and her head teacher listened her problem with carefully, and she assured Lippy that she would do something about her. She would do something for her. Then her head teacher took a decision, took a steps. This is head teacher at first arranged a meeting with the other teachers and discussed about the problems with them. Their teacher gave him advice that they should arrange a meeting with the eminent person, school managing committee in their village. Then her head teacher arranged a meeting with the eminent person of the locality, member of union council, and the member of managing committee. They discussed a long time about the problem. They persuaded Lippy's father not to marry Lippy at this time and to give opportunity Lippy to continue her studies. And one time Lippy's father denied it, but when they created pressure to Lippy's father, then he agreed to continue the studies of Lippy. The head teacher also explained in a meeting that if Lippy is married early, she will be mother at a tender age and her health will be hazard, she will be sick. Then Lippy's father understood that he was wrong. Okay. Dear students, now open your textbook. Now I am reading the passage. You listen to me carefully. In the next class, Mrs. Chowdhury tells her students the story of Lippy. In brief, the story is like this. The year before last, Lippy, a 14-year-old girl, had been in class 9 in a rural school in Rangpur. Lippy is the eldest of 5 children, 3 daughters and 2 sons. Their father is a day laborer working on other people's land, and mother is a homemaker and a part-time worker at other people's houses. Their parents, particularly the mother, found it real difficult to raise 5 children on the small income the father could earn. Perhaps that is why Lippy's father wanted to marry her off, but Lippy was not ready to accept what her parents wanted to impose on her. She wanted to pursue her education. So long her mother stood by her, though secretly. But when her father arranged her marriage with Taramia, the only son of a farmer in the same village, she became a little upset. Taramia was a widower, literate, but well off. His father had a few acres of arable land and was influential in the village. The marriage seemed to be inevitable. Dear students, maybe you have faced some problems of new vocabulary. Now I am solving it. Eminent. Can you tell me what is the meaning of eminent? Eminent, that means a renowned person, a famous person in the village, in the locality, in the district, in Bangladesh. Now can you tell me what is the meaning of eminent? Yes, eminent, who is famous in the village. Dear students, can you make a sentence by the word eminent? Yes, you write down. Okay, now I am also helping you. You look at the screen. The headmaster called a meeting with some eminent persons. Okay. Another new words. Premature date. It is premature date. Can you tell me what is the meaning of premature date? A girl who is married in the age of 12 or 13, when she gave birth, she died. It is a premature date. Okay, that means untimely death or sudden death. Can you tell me? Can you make a sentence by premature death? Okay, here I have written an example and sentence by the word premature date. You will write more sentence, or you will make more sentences by premature date, eminent, famous, etc. Okay. And another word, widower. Widower. Can you tell me widower? Now look at the picture. A man who lost his wife, or whose wife is died. Okay, whose wife died. Okay, yes, who lost his wife, whose wife died. Now can you make a sentence? At first you try to make a sentence, then you will look at the screen. Okay, now look at the screen. His wife died last month. Now he is a widower. Another new word, domestic worker. A woman who works in others' house or part-time worker in others' house. She is called domestic worker. Okay. Now, like before, you try to make a sentence by domestic worker. Yes, it may be Lipi's mother is a domestic worker. I have written here she works as a domestic worker since she is from a very poor family. Dear learners, I have already discussed about Lipi's story, and I also have read out the passage. I hope you have listened to me carefully. I have also already solved the unknown words, and I have also given you the opportunity to make sentences with the new words. Now I have given here some questions about the story of Lipi. Now you try to answer the question. You take your pen and khata. Question 1. What was the consequence of Lipi? Number 2. What did Lipi's parents do? Number 3. Why did Lipi discuss about her problem with headmaster? Number 4. Why did her parents try to give her Mary off? Number 5. Will can't lead the girl to the goal. Explain. Here will is not verb. Here will is a noun. Will, that means wish. Okay. Your target. Yeah. Your target. Yes. Dear students, now you write the answer of the questions. You will do your answers, and I shall see your answer in my last class. Dear learners, now I am showing you a video. You watch the video very carefully. Then I shall ask you the question. You will answer the question. Question 1. Why did she want to kill herself? Question 2. What is the age of the girl? And question 3. Why didn't she leave her husband? Now you enjoy the video.
Deeply rooted in social norms, the tradition of child marriage is not easily broken. Here are two girls with two very different stories.
আমার নাম শাহানাজ আক্তার পারভিন। আমার বয়স 15। আমি দুয়ারিপাড়া বস্তিতে থাকি। আমি বিয়ে করতে চাই না, মানে আমার বাপ মা বলতেছে মেয়ে লোক, মানে বয়স হয়েছে, অনেক বড় হয়েছে।
Shahnaz at 14 was forced into marriage by her parents. They lacked the money to provide her husband a dowry. When he learned this, he beat her and threw her out of the house.
কোন সময়টা যখন আমার স্বামী ঘরে এসে মানে বেশি অত্যাচার আমার মারধর করে, তখন তো আমার নিজেই মনে হচ্ছে যে আমার মনে হয় দুনিয়াতে থাকার কোনো দরকারই নেই। লেগে তো অত্যাচার আমার তুমি শহরে দরকার নেই। আর মনে করেন নিজেকে নিজে শেষ করে দেওয়ার ফলে সিদ্ধান্ত নিয়ে ফেলি। আবার নিজের ভিতরে নিজেও বুঝানি যে স্বামী আর সংসার ছাড়া যা মোটামুটি দেওয়া যায় এটা নিজে শেষ করে দিলে সবকিছু সমাধান হবে না। লেগে এটা দেখছি প্রত্যেক ঘরে ঘরে এরকম চলতেছে। কারণ যদি সব মেয়ে 10টা মেয়ে যদি সহ্য করতে পারে, আমার মতন একটা মেয়ে সহ্য করতে হবে না? এটা অবশ্যই করতে হবে।
After her husband threw her out, her parents welcomed her back into the family home. Her husband shows up sometimes asking for money.
তারা দিব, এরকম ছাড়া দিব, এরকম ভয় থাকতে বেশি যে আমার না ছাড়া দেয়। আমার যদি ছাড়া দেয় আমি পরবর্তীতে অন্য কাছে দিব, সেও তো আবার একটা কথা ভিতরে রাখবে যে তুই যদি ভালো হতো, যদি সেরকম হইতো তো জামাইকে তুমি প্রথম বিয়ে করে ছাড়া দিত। আমার পরিচিত আছে যে পাশে এরা আছে, এদেরকে দেখতেছি যে এই একই অবস্থা, তো আর কি করবো, এদেরকে দেখে নিজেরটা নিজে কপালে আছে, ভাগ্য আছে, তারপর দেখা যায় দুনিয়াতে নিতে দেয়া যায় এরকম হয়ে গেছে। বাংলাদেশে এরকম চলতেছে, চলুক, আর কি করার আছে, আমার মতো মেরে কোনো প্রতিবাদ করতে পারে, কোনো কিছু করতে পারে, এটি সয়ে যেতে হবে।
Yes, dear learner, you have already enjoyed a video. Now, answer the question. Why did she wanted to kill herself? Okay. Number 2. What is the age of the girl? And number 3. Why didn't she leave her husband? Dear learners, if you face any problem, I advise you to watch the video again and again. Then you will able to answer the questions. Okay. Now I am giving you I have given you 5 sentences part. You will write the. Dear students, now here I have given a question, and you will write down 5 sentences based on this question. Number 1. The question is, what would happen if Lippi was married early? That means, what was the outcomes if Lippi was married early? You will try to write 5 sentences. Dear learners, honestly, at first you will try, then you will match your answers with mine. You will never write down from the screen. You will never try to write an answer from the screen without trying yourselves. Okay? Now I am helping you. What should happen if Lippi was married early? She would have child or children. Number 2, she would die in a premature death, or she might. Here you will write down she might die. She might die in a premature death. And number 3, her studies would stop. Number 4, she would be dependent forever. She had to live on depending on others, on her husband, if she was married early, because she could not continue her studies. She could not get any job to earn money. For this reason, she had to live based on her husband, or she had to live only taking money from her husband, okay, or her fathers. And another is, she would have continued health hazards. In our village, we see different types of problem when a girl is married early, and the child and her mother have to go to the doctor's chambers again and again. In around your small shop, in around of your small bazaar, and in your local village doctor, you will see the girls are crowded going there to take treatment with her newly born child. Okay. Dear learners, I have already discussed with you about Lippi's story, what would happen about Lippi, and how she got relief from her early marriage. Now I am giving you some information at a glance. Lippi's story at a glance. Lippi, a girl, a student of class 9. Her father is a day laborer and mother is a domestic worker, that means parents are very poor. Family member of 7, large family with a small income. Another is her parents wanted to marry her off but could not. To relieve from the early marriage, for her marriage, she discussed with her classmates and head teacher. Then the head teacher arranged meeting with school teachers, some eminent persons, managing committee members, and the members of union council. And after a long discussion, the head teacher became success to stop her marriage. Now Libby is continuing her studies. Okay. I have already discussed with you. Now I am going to take your evaluation. Now my question is, who is Lippy and how old is she? Who can tell the answer? Now I am giving the answer. Lippy is a student of class 9 and her age is, or she is, 14 years old. How many members are there in your family? Very simple and easy question. Try to answer. Number 3, why did her parents want her to marry off? And number 4, what did she do to stop her marriage? And last one is, what was the outcome of headmaster's meeting? Okay. Okay, dear students, now I am giving you home task. Your homework is, if your classmate falls in this type of problem, what will you do? Write in own words. Okay. Dear learners, ultimately my suggestion is to you, you will take this class again and again. If possible, you download the class, then you watch another time. Here I have given several questions in evaluation, and after narrating the story, and if you are able to answer the question, I hope the stories will be very simple to you. Okay. And your home task, you will see your home task when your school will be opened, and I also will see your homework in my next class. Okay. Up to the end of the class, you stay for mind. You stay for mind, and I also hope that you will be benefited to take my class. Okay. Okay. Thanks to all. Thank you very much. See you again.